Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Health and Beauty Tips, your go-to destination. Today, we will learn 10 amazing habits that make you more attractive. Now, let's begin. There are many different ways to be appealing. 10 categories, spanning from physical attractiveness to emotional connection, have been established by psychologists. However, there are some intangible characteristics that come to mind when we think of extremely attractive people. Someone who draws attention when they enter a room is considered attractive. We sometimes want to be attractive because people who are physically and psychologically attractive have a way of leaving a lasting impact on others around them. You might be curious as to why someone who meets this description is so alluring when you first meet them. You might suppose it's due to their attractiveness by nature. There is no disputing that some people are just more attractive by nature. In many ways, your habits and decisions as well as your intrinsic physical qualities determine how attractive you are. Why? Because you are more than the sum of your habits and decisions. They serve as a constant reminder of your character to everyone you meet. They radiate security, confidence, and status. They change your interpersonal relationships and have an impact on the perceptions you convey. But with these amazing yet easy behaviors, you may improve your attractiveness. Number 1. The power of facial expressions. A 2011 study published in the journal Emotion found that altering your expression can dramatically increase your attractiveness. Participants in this study were tasked with rating images of male and female faces displaying various universal expressions. Men who smile with their mouths closed are more appealing, according to research. The women in this study found that these guys to be more confident, capable, and desirable. But males didn't find the same expression to be as alluring. Mala participants favored female faces with wide, open smiles that conveyed positive feelings like joy or zeal. Number 2. Build your body like a machine. Do you like how you appear? Because they don't feel attractive in their own flesh. Many people lack attractiveness. Even if you don't like the way you look right now, regular exercise can improve your physical self-esteem and make you feel like a better, more attractive version of yourself. Running and weightlifting are only two examples of exercises that make you more beautiful. They alter how your body looks and improve your level of physical fitness. They promote muscle development and enhance the look of your skin and hair. Exercise boosts your self-esteem psychologically, reduces stress, and generally makes you feel better about yourself. People will take notice of you when you look and feel amazing. So, whenever you can, work in at least 15 minutes of cardio, calisthenics, or weightlifting. This straightforward exercise program can transform your body into a machine. Number 3. Voice alteration. Have you ever heard someone compliment your voice? According to studies, some vocal characteristics are frequently preferred in both male and female partners. For instance, men typically prefer women who talk at higher pitches, while women prefer partners with deeper, breathier voices. According to a study published in the journal PLOS ONE, voice preferences are frequently associated with opinions of physical attractiveness. We often visualize bigger, more powerful people when we hear deeper male voices. Similar to how higher-pitched voices are linked to beautiful feminine features, don't be forced to speak in a whole new voice if you don't find your natural voice attractive. Altering your pitch and cadence instead can surprisingly increase the effectiveness of your speech. Number 4. The most attractive colors. Knowing which colors flatter your skin tone can help you stand out from the crowd and attract the people you want to spend time with. Men frequently perceive red to be the most seductive color for women. Some ladies come off as being irresistible thanks to its boldness and attention-grabbing nature. Although black is actually the most appealing color for males, you might wear red if you're a man as a sign of prestige and confidence. Try using elegant color combinations, such as a red tie over a black suit, to make the most of these beautiful color choices. How much of a difference the proper colors can make will amaze you. Number 5. Rejuvenation of sleep. Studies have demonstrated that a regular sleep schedule elevates your mood and increases your attractiveness. A 2010 study found that persons who get enough sleep each night are more attractive physically and are more youthful, active, and joyful. A restful night's sleep, for instance, helps maintain your skin fresh and healthy and reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your face. It turns out that getting enough sleep can significantly enhance your appearance. Number 6. Practicing eye contact. Eye contact has been said to improve one's likability or persuasiveness. But did you realize it also heightens one's physical allure? This effective body language communicates on several levels. It invites others to focus on your face and determine what makes you so alluring. They will become more accustomed and attracted to you as they continue to study your face. Additionally, eye contact has a significant social and psychological impact on how individuals feel. Every time your eyes come into contact, you experience a private moment that strengthens your bond. You are attracted to each other instinctively, which leads to tension that frequently turns into romantic yearning. At first glance, making eye contact with someone seems easy, but few forms of body language leave such powerful impressions. Number 7. Stand firmly in your words. The way you stand significantly affects how appealing you appear to others. Straight, tall people are perceived as being more confident and secure. People who slump, on the other hand, come out as unattractive since they seem less confident. Standing or sitting a little straighter can instantly give your appearance a much-needed boost. Number 8. The magic of retinol. Do you have unsightly wrinkles, blemishes, or other skin flaws? People's opinions of you are significantly influenced by the condition of your skin. Smooth skin makes everyone appear young and attractive, whereas rough, wrinkled skin can make you look old and tired. Try one of the various creams containing retinol to swiftly improve the condition of your skin. Retinol, in contrast to other substances, binds to receptors in your cells and stimulates new growth, giving your skin a smoother appearance. You don't have to spend hours pampering your skin every morning, but the correct products and a quick routine can make you look more attractive than you think. Number 9. Perfume is more important. Each of the 5 senses, including the ones we don't often think about, is involved in physical attractiveness. For example, a beautiful scent might biologically elicit strong sentiments of desire. Some ladies really believe that a man's smell is more essential than his appearance because scent has such an impact. You might not have thought about how your perfume affects your love life, but if someone enjoys the way you smell, it will be difficult to keep them away. Number 10. Express yourself clearly. Even while you may find it desirable to return favors to individuals you admire, it's usually more attractive to say no. People who speak their farts are generally respected more. We're drawn to people who do what they want to do and avoid the things they don't. Simply be honest. You shouldn't turn down requests from everyone, though. Just be truthful about how you feel. Saying no to something doesn't have to be a fear, because this kind of honesty is more attractive than you realize. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe because more incredible content is on the way.